Hello guys, my name is Joanne. I have been a language teacher for 8 years. I cater to different nationalities and I also work as English teacher in high school. Being a language teacher is a great privilege for I will be able to communicate with different people of different nationalities. Help them improve their English speaking skill is my objective. In my experience as a language teacher, I can randomly say that not all people with high IQ are good language learners. I say this because I have a student who is a top-notcher for the medical board exam. He has been my student since he was still in the university until he became a licensed professional doctor. His intention in learning the language is for him to be able to join a research institute in America. I can say he is passionate about learning, but he has difficult time to master some basic rules like grammar. Why? I think he just wants to reach his objective, but does not really intend to embrace the language. In the country where he lives, majority of the people do not speak English even as a second language. They speak it only when they encounter foreigners. So most of the time, his patients are not speakers of English and that he lacks practice. He speaks English only during our online class. In short, learners of the language need not have high IQs. Learners must show good intention in practicing the language and follow its rules. Non-native speakers of the language must use the language in the proper context, like using something we borrow from other people. We take care of it. We make good use of it. The same must apply when using other language. Speaking the English language, on the other hand, does not qualify one's measure of intelligence. There are people who can speak well even if they do not have high IQs. They embrace the language as their own and show demeanor when practicing or using it. Constant practice makes one become fluent with the language.